Hello everybody, we are back with part 5 of Ratchet and Clank with Taryn and Danny.
More Ratchet and Clank. Do you remember what we were doing last time?
We were in Eudora, like it says. We
Yeah.
were in Eudora. We got the grapple, the swing hook thing. I don't remember exactly what it's called. Swing hook?
Swing shot?
Swing shot. Yeah, we got the swing shot. And now we're still in Eudora. We're about to go to a different planet because we got an infobot, I think.
There's a bad guy here.
But we're still looking for, what's his name? Captain
Quark.
Quark. We can't do anything here, can we? I think we actually just got done with this place, right? Where do we have to be here? I don't think that
Head start. Go down to help, I think? No, go back. I thought there was a button to use the info bot.
I know I accidentally used one the other day, last week.
Yeah. Suck.
Okay. Oh, you know what? It was probably here. Nope, that's not. Good job.
Just try hitting stuff.
Wait, hold on. Where's our ship at? Down there? Oh my god, it's down here.
I think we were done here on Eudora, but I don't remember.
I think we were done here on Eudora too. Yeah, because we're going to Nebula.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome, we spent the first minute trying to figure out where we're supposed to go. I'm okay with that.
Honestly. You know what? We should probably get in the habit of watching the end of the previous episodes.
Nah.
So that we can remember what the hell we were doing.
Nah.
No, I'm just gonna wing it every time, guys.
Yeah, why not? That makes it more fun.
Yeah. Then you never know. We won't even know what's going on. So you'll never know. Win-win. I don't even remember this planet.
Oh, this is so unmemorable.
No, actually, I think this one's pretty good. If it's the one I'm thinking of.
Oh, it looks so dark. I'm pretty certain that I fixed the thing already. So, yeah, I think I fixed the thing. Hold on. It's that one.
Yeah. So, if you bring that thing up again.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Hold on. There we go.
On that, like, weapon wheel thing, the gadgets with green backgrounds, those aren't weapons. Those are, like, this one.
Okay, so those three are stoppers. Yeah, hold on. Go. I want him to move these other ones. These two go here then. That was easy. It was just trying to get the remembrance to Clank to explore outside the station. Let's go! I get to be cute Clank!
Look how adorable he is.
Look at this.
He's a little nice.
Are these emotes?
You'll figure it out. See how big that bolt was compared to you?
Oh, okay. All right, game. That's fine.
So Clank's hitbox is not square.
I can't believe I fell off of that, bro. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh yeah.
Come on, bro. What? Okay.
Clank's a little ugly.
Can I play as Clank from now on instead of Ratchet?
He's got hands.
Yeah.
Wow, his punch has a long hitbox.
Yeah, that's why I'm like,
You're just trying to punch one just to climb on top.
there we go. Oh, there's something to do on here anyway.
Yeah. What if there's something above the door though?
Something about song setting. Did I even need to... Okay. That one now. I even need to come over here?
That smells like a get more money.
Is that it?
Jump, then press and hold the X button again while in the air to glide.
In the air.
Oh, do I not? Oh, okay. I was like, do I like... Can I not grab ledges? Was my question.
I don't think so.
I don't think you can as Clank. Because I couldn't grab one of the ledges already. Right, we go this way. Alright, so Clank most OP busted character in game. Got it. Got it.
With that mean hook. Haymaker is a one shot.
Oh no, you can grab. I did grab.
Nice.
I don't know if I'm supposed to go this way. There's only boxes. I don't trust it. No.
How else are you supposed to afford your cool guns and gadgets?
I gotta go that way. I'm scared, okay?
Is this super OP gun in this one? I wonder if it is. It has to be.
Slow.
It's like the most iconic gun in the series.
I don't like this. I'm getting anxiety, dude. I am taking my sweet time, just like Danny took his sweet time in Wind Waker earlier.
Hey, whatever makes you happy.
I don't know about that. Dude, I'm so scared of falling off.
I did a weird visual effect on the stairs too.
Aren't even stairs.
Or not stairs, but the platform. The colors all weird.
Oh. I don't like this, dude. I was about to say, that's like a dragon, dude.
Bust them out. Bust your homies out.
You have just activated a Gadgetbot. To command a Gadgetbot, hold down the triangle button and select Wait, Follow, Attack.
There you go. Now you got homies. Bust everybody out. I think you only have to do it once while everybody's in the area. Whoever's around you will follow you. And those dudes do not fuck around. So like when it comes to attack, they beat ass. I told you, they squad the fuck up.
Do they respawn?
I think if you go back to the location where you picked them up, they'll respawn. Because you need 4 of them to go into the...
Oh, they're great. This is great.
So if you turn around really quick...
I saw the number 4.
Yeah, the 4.
I saw the 4.
Yeah, that's for the little robot guys. Walk them into it. Nice.
Let's go, buds. Yeah. Ooh, ooh.
There's also little platforms.
Ooh. But I saw these. Give me my money. I'm assuming this doesn't really go anywhere, but what?
I don't know what it is. Oh, it's just a...
It's a visual thing.
Yeah. Just to add some environment.
Use the Enter command to make the Gadgetbots.
Bingo. What's this? Wait, it's for you. Don't ask.
He's like, don't even ask, just trust. Okay, Clank, I see you. You have an imaginary backpack inside of your
The
stomach.
Gadgetron Hydro Displacer uses Insta faucets and Insta drains. Using it, you can drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect any on this space station.
Okay. Well, where do I go? Do I just follow?
So, I believe that gadget is meant to be used on Eudora.
Okay.
But I'm not certain.
That's the only way I can go.
Oh, go back out and step on the thing again.
Oh. Okay.
So you can go back to Ratchet. I think that's the whole point of coming down here, is just get that gadget and then go back to Ratchet.
Ratchet, I am back.
I'm back.
So you are.
And I found this.
Okay, I'm just saying that I did not plan that. I had no idea he was going to say, I'm back.
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those, I guess.
Honestly, I think James Arnold Taylor did a fantastic job at Ratchet. Is that it? Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything else I can do here. Oh wait, there's other spaces. I want this episode to be this. So, wait.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Haunter? Okay.
200 money. What was that? Oh.
I'm a god.
Dude, not stinky fart clouds.
I see you.
Oh.
Just gonna
Oh.
fuck you. Fuck you. Get fucked.
Need a little help
Such a
with these
god.
engines? Try a Gadgetron Taunter. Available at any Gadgetron
Oh, I need to
vendor.
get the taunter. Oh. I get it. I have to hit both of them at a good time. Upright, yo, but bro. What do I use for this? Blaster? Blaster might be okay. Alright, I got it. Woo! It's so weird playing this after not playing this for a while. You know? I haven't even played Kingdom Hearts that much this like last week, and my brain is just like, haha, you suck. I'm like, yeah, I know, thanks. Oh.
You need 2 more bolts and you can afford the taunter. Platforming intensifies.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, that's fine. They gave me 2 of these, so I will gladly take that.
You can glide still.
I know, I just don't know. Lie down.
Yeah, you can do it.
That's what I'm scared of. These controls are really weird to me still. And it feels really dark, and I checked the video and everything before we started recording.
I think it's just how the game is, honestly.
I'm just gonna go. I'll take 1 hit for that. Yeah, I think that this planet is just very dark. Oh, thing here. That one. Okay, I'm remembering. Okay, so there's 1 block. One, 2, 3, those 3. Okay. Put this one here for now. Alright, I just assumed and it worked. Nah.
All that money.
Feels good, man. I'm rich. Can I play as Clank? Do I just get the option to play as Clank instead? Like, sorry Ratchet, you're awesome and all, but I feel like Clank is just so good. Do I get different money for those dudes that I play? I don't think so. Oh, I mean, no, they just
do get money for them, but it's not like
different currency.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going back this way. I wish, can you, okay. I'm asking for a spoil. Is there a way that you run faster later in the game?
I don't know if it's this game, but I know in some of the games you get rocket boots and other different styles of boots. So I don't know if you'll get them in this game or if that's in the next one.
So you're not positive. Okay. That's fine. I just wanted to ask you because I'm tired of this running around.
I know Clank does get other upgrades, and I think one of them might be a rocket backpack, so you can, like, rocket jump forward.
Okay. Alright, so there's the shop. So we're gonna grab the taunter.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Alright, now before anything else, I am gonna save.
I wonder what that does.
Did you know you can place any gadget or weapon on your quick select? Just pause and choose quick select from the menu.
Do I go this way or do I go that way? I think it'll bring me to the same place.
You went this way already.
Oh, I did.
This shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned Blarg warship. Our scanners indicate that there may be useful technology on board.
I don't know if I want to do this yet, but you know what? Fuck it. Let's go. We still got like 13 minutes to spare, so let's do it.
Plus, there's useful equipment here.
That's, or so they say. Wish there's a way that you could skip cutscenes though.
So, that sound you just heard was not supposed to happen. I don't think.
Oh god.
Because that's the sound of an enemy touching a TNT. I was gonna say use that on them, see what it does.
You know what? Yeah, why not? Let's do that. Oh, that's a set cannon.
I think you have to go
oh,
to...
it's actually on... Okay,
It's a pause menu, yeah. It's under weapons. But if you do go to that gadget page, you can see some...
So it just pulls him closer. It just makes him come to you.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, because it's a taunter, so it's like, hey, I'm taunting you to come near me. Come at me, bro.
Oh, so you can take enemies on like one by one, maybe.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That makes more sense.
Alright.
But on that gadget page, you can see what I was talking about as far as like their upgrades. Or their upgrade slots, I should say.
Oh, bro, dude, no.
Panic mashing.
Dude, this is gonna be so annoying if they don't give me a... Oh god, they see me. They see me! Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Oh god, this is gonna be... I see you, I see you, I see you. I see you. Oh god! No! No! Okay, okay, okay. I still got hit, I think. Okay, okay, it doesn't matter. Oh my god, they're back! Or no, this is the other side. Aha, we're good. I did it. I'm great. Leave me alone, I'm good.
You good now?
No, I'm not. I'm never good. I'm never good. I jumped! I hate this game so much sometimes. I don't like the platforming of it. It's frustrating, to say the least. Can I please Clank? You know what? You know what? Hold on. Saw that coming. I'm mad.
Now you know both hallways are full of enemies.
Oh dear, yeah. I just took 2 hits for literally no reason. Okay. Dodged! Dodged. The other one disappeared though. Oh wait, no, I grabbed the other one. Okay. What's this? Oh, that's too far. Really?
That would have been perfect.
Can you really not go further? Really?
It's staying there so you can't do what you're trying to do.
Oh, that's stupid.
Yeah.
I'm trying to jump, dude. Really? I hate this game. I don't like this game. I really don't like this game. Like, I know it's not eating my inputs, but it feels so difficult sometimes to actually do what I want to do. And I'm not trying to bash the game, but it's frustrating to say the least. I'll make it happen. Oh god, oh god. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't think they'll follow you.
No, they won't. I'm trying to think of like the way I want to do this. I'll take it. I'll take the bitch way.
Hey, whatever makes them die faster without you dying.
That. Do I go over here and press the button? Of course. Of course you press the shiny red. Oh, I guess you have to hit somebody with it.
Or there has to be enemies around when you toss it. Maybe?
I guess. Maybe I can use this. How are you not getting locked on? That's so weird. Yeah, he should have been... Whoa, I clipped through that. I 100% clipped through that. What?
Amy is other one, what the fuck? Bro,
No.
how many shots did these guys take?
Oh, I didn't clip through. It's just I'm small enough to get through that area. I'm gonna do the bomb glove. As you walked right into it. And then you're gonna walk right into that one. And you're gonna take this one to the face too. Alright, I'm gonna put that on and I'm gonna try that. And hopefully we'll make it through this time. If not, we'll see you guys in the next episode.
You do have 40 seconds to make it back.
Yeah.
Like,
So technically I could just fight some of the enemies.
I think you have enough time to kill all of them. But I'm not sure.
Let's try this way first with the Glove of Doom and see if that's a thing.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated.
I'm not surprised
Please
if they do a
remove all
self-destruct
personal
feature.
belongings.
No, you have to hit him. You have to hit him.
They popped out, but it takes a second. It's not enough.
Just a reminder, this vessel will self-destruct shortly. So you should leave.
Okay, okay.
Now.
Something over. Okay, okay.
So the info pod was
This.
in the ship,
Yeah.
which is kind of dumb because you shouldn't have to.
Yeah. It's okay. We're fine. We did it. After, what, dying 3 times? I might edit my my voice and stuff that that portion, so you guys don't have to hear me rage and get all mad and then speed it up and all that
This
jazz.
is Darla Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City.
We've just learned that Captain Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances.
Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
And up. I saw that coming.
Did you see that?
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the
Alright, so
hoverboard
that's
races.
planet Rilgar. And I'm assuming that's where we're gonna be going next. So we're gonna save it here.
Do your racing minigame.
Yay, racing minigame. We're gonna end it here, guys. We will see you guys in the next part. Yeah, where my sanity continues to plummet. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you guys can get notified when we upload more videos.
See y'all next time.
Okay, bye!